In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Exness to MT4. If you want to connect your Exness trading account to MetaTrader 4, the process is actually very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part clearly so you know exactly what to enter and where to click. And I'll also point out a few important details to help you avoid common mistakes during login. To begin, launch the MT4 app on your device. Make sure the platform is fully open before moving on to the next step. If this is your first time opening MT4, give it a moment to load completely so all menu options are available. Starting from the main MT4 window will make the login process much easier to follow. Once the app is open, go to the top menu and click File, then choose Login to Trade Account. This will open the login window where you'll connect your Exness account to the platform. If you don't immediately see the option, just make sure you are on the main trading interface and not in a minimized or partially loaded view. Now, in the login window, enter your Exness account number in the login field. This is the trading account number associated with your MT4 account. After that, enter your MT4 trading password in the password field. Be careful here to use the trading password specifically, not any other account password. It's also a good idea to type slowly and double check for any extra spaces or typing mistakes, since even a small error can prevent the account from connecting properly. Next, select the correct server for your Exness account. This step is very important because even if your login number and password are correct, the connection won't work if the wrong server is selected. If you're not sure which server to use, check the account details provided for your MT4 trading account and match that server name exactly inside the MT4 login window. Once everything is filled in correctly, click Log In. MT4 should then connect your Exness account to the platform. After a successful login, you'll typically see the account become active inside the terminal, and the platform should begin displaying trading data linked to that account. And that's it. By launching MT4, opening the trade account login window, entering your Exness account number and MT4 trading password, selecting the right server, and clicking login, you can successfully link Exness to MT4 in just a few moments.